Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, let's learn a really delicious and lip-smacking chicken curry which is very easy to prepare and full of flavor. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. Heat some ghee or clarified butter in a pan and add the whole spices. Let it roast until it's aromatic and then add some chopped onions. All ingredients and recipe will be mentioned in the description box below. Once your onions are well roasted and golden brown, add in the chicken and cook until it changes color. Add 1 heaped tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Add some salt, mix well and cover and cook the chicken on medium flame until it attains a really beautiful golden color. This will ensure that the chicken absorbs all the moisture and all the flavor from the raw onions and the ginger garlic paste. Add in chopped tomatoes, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and give everything a really good mix. Add in some slit green chillies and let everything cook well until the chicken releases some water. Add in grounded coconut paste. This is prepared with just coconut and water. You can also use coconut milk instead. Cover and let it cook on medium flame until some oil is released. Adjust consistency with some water. For 1 part of coconut paste, I have used 2 parts of water. Cover and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken and the curry is well done. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve hot with steamed rice. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Do try it out and let me know in the comment section how it turns out for you. It is a really delicious and lip-smacking treat. I have quite a few recipe requests and suggestions lined up, so all of them will be shared in the upcoming videos. One such request is from Margaret to share the crab shake recipe, which will be posted very soon. If you like watching my videos and feel connected, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of every upcoming video. Until then, take care and stay safe.